Today we will continue with insert menu. Prepare some text. If you want to insert the picture, suppose I want to insert the picture here, go to insert picture, select the picture, click on insert. If you want to change the shape of our picture, we can use format menu under picture tools, select which shape we want. There are also more shapes here. Whichever the shape you want to, you can. Suppose I am selecting here. If you want to change the border, picture border, we can take the color or size of the border. This is the border. If you suppose I am changing color. Okay. Picture effect. There are different picture effects are available. If size is more, it will go to the next page. This is the picture effect. If you want to change the brightness, we select the brightness. Observe here when I am selecting 10%, 20%, 30% like this. And also brightness of our picture. If you want to get to normal, we have to use 0% of brightness and 0% of contrast. If you want to recolor the picture, you can select whichever you want. Under more variations, we can select our own color. That color will be applied here. If you want to reduce the size of the picture, we have to use compress picture. Compress the picture will reduce the size of our picture. This is useful if you want to send our document through email. When we are sending any email, the size of the file should be of limited size. So if you compress the picture, the size will be reduced. Okay. Then change the picture. If you want to change another picture, you click on insert, the picture will be changed. Reset picture. Reset picture will bring the picture to the normal settings. Suppose we applied some shapes to this picture like this. Some border we applied, some shapes we took here. Let us reduce the height and width of our picture. Suppose I am making as height as 4 and width as 4 because we are not able to see the picture clearly. I made height as 4 and width also 4. After we applied some settings, if you given reset picture, again it will come to the normal size. Normal size means height 8, width 10.67. So reset picture means it will get back to the original picture settings. We are not able to see the picture completely, right? I am reducing the height and width. Okay. Now click on this picture. You go to format. Position. If you want to change the position left, then right, left, center, right. This is top of the page. In middle of the page, left, middle, right. Totally 9 positions are available. Bring to front and send it to back. I will explain later. Now coming to the text wrapping. If you given as inline with text, we'll get above text, below text, in between we'll get picture. Observe here, above text and below text, in between picture. If you given tight, beside the picture text is coming. Very closely the text is coming. If you given in front of the text, for example, I given behind the text. The picture went to behind the text. Now I given in front of the text. Now the picture is in front of the text. Top and bottom. Top and bottom will get text, in between will get picture. Through. Through is also similar to like tight. Will get text around the image. Square. If you want to move the picture, suppose with mouse I am dragging the picture. With mouse I am moving the picture. If you want to move the picture like this, we have to apply the option square. This is very important option to remember. When we inserted any picture, insert and picture, I am not able to move the picture. I am dragging with mouse now. I am not able to move the picture. To move the picture, first you made text wrapping square. Now I am able to move the picture. I am dragging with mouse. I am able to move the picture. Okay. Alignment similar to position. Left, center, right. Okay. Rotate. If you want to rotate the picture, in whichever the direction you want to rotate the picture, you have to rotate the picture. When we are rotating the picture will move between pages. You scroll with mouse and identify in which page our picture is moved. Crop the picture. If you want to get some space around the picture, you can take the help of crop. We got some space like this. Now if you apply some picture border, we got some space around the picture. Crop. This is cropping. Okay. These are picture tools. Now you go to insert. Let us go to another page. Here, if you want to insert shapes, we have to click on shapes. Here, we are having different categories of shapes. Basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart. These symbols are used for programming. Each symbol is having a meaning. Process, alternate process, decision, start, terminator. This is for starting as well as for terminator. These symbols are used by the programmers. Okay. If you want to draw some shape, you select any shape, whichever the shape you want to, you select the shape and you drag with mouse. Here this arrow indicates we can increase the width. This arrow indicates we can increase the height. If you want to get the shape of equal width and height, we have to use shift. Suppose with my left hand I hold shift. With my right hand I am dragging with mouse. Now we'll get exact width and height of the picture. Okay, go to insert and shape. Select. This symbol for rotating the picture. If you click here with mouse, we can rotate the picture. When you are in the shape, we got drawing tools for formatting the shape. Here we are having different colors for formatting, for filling with different colors. Shape outline, this is the outline. Changing the shape, to whichever the shape you want to change, to that shape you can change. If you want to apply shadow effects, we have to on this, shadow on or off. If you on this, we got shadow, a little bit of shadow for this one. Down means little bit moved. To the left it was moved. Right it was moved. Up it was moved. To get more shadow effects, now down, right, a little bit direction changes. Observe here. Here you observe arrow keys. If you don't want shadow, off here, on or off. Similarly, if you want to have 3D effect, you have to on here, 3D on or off. Now we got for this one 3D effect. If you click here, 3D. This is also direction for. You click this one, more 3D effects will get you. Okay. Position, we already discussed about position. Okay. Text wrapping we discussed, behind the text, in front of the text, top and bottom, tight like that. Suppose I am deleting this picture, click and delete on the keyboard, delete. Now we are having one option of edit wrap points. If you want to move the text far from the text, we can take the help of these wrap points so that we'll get some more space. This is also useful for shaping the curves. Okay. Which option? Edit wrap points. These are simple alignment and rotate, and we can also change the width and height. If you click and if you drag like this, we can also increase the width and height, or to give the precise width and height. Suppose I want 4 width and 3 width and 4 height, 3 height and 4 width I am giving, for example. We can also give here. Okay. We are having some more options here. This is for drawing line. If you want to draw the line in a straight way, hold shift with my left hand, I hold shift with my right hand, I drag with mouse. Okay. Similarly, we are having arrow. And here we are block arrows, these are. Okay. Then this is free form, just like pencil. We can draw freely. Then this is for drawing curves. If you want to stop curve, click, that's it. Okay. So if you want to change this curve position, then you can go for edit wrap points, and you can give here, suppose I want to something like this, you can give. We are getting some gap around the text and the curve. Okay. These are all different shapes. Callouts, if you want to give some comments, automatically will get the cursor when you inserted callouts, so that we can type the text. If you draw, suppose square, we don't get text. To type the text, right click and click add text and type the text. Okay. If you want to draw some text box, you can go to this text box. Automatically we are getting the cursor, and you can format the text with the help of this one, and we can also create the text direction. All these options remain same as previous options. Okay, we'll continue in the next lesson.